Welcome to Pohanka Lexus. I'm Tate Attia, and today we're going to look at the new RX 350, the original luxury crossover SUV. The RX 350 is always ready with over 20 active safety features that keep you out of an accident. And with Lexus Inform and Safety Connect, you can rest assured that you and your family are always in good hands. The RX 350 was rated most dependable premium crossover SUV by J.D. Power & Associates, as well as best overall value by IntelliChoice. With features like heated and cooled seats, voice-activated hard disk drive navigation, backup camera, and the world-renowned remote touch system, the RX 350 is luxury at your fingertips. I'm Tate with Pohanka Lexus. Stop on by and find out why the RX 350 has been America's best-selling crossover SUV since 1999.